YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Be So Fitted. I am back and I am better than ever. Merry Christmas. Today's video is very exciting. I'm going to be bringing you guys an unboxing, on-foot look, and review on the Nike Kobe Protro 6 in the Grinch colorway, or according to the sneakers app, it is the green apple colorway, which I don't really rock with. This is the Grinch colorway. If you guys are familiar or not, he rocked these shoes back in 2010 for the Christmas Day basketball game against the Miami Heat, I believe. And let me tell you, this is probably one of the best colorways I've ever seen on a Kobe shoe. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting more content just like this, how to rock your shoes and whatnot, reviews and all that good stuff. Now, with that being said, let's jump right into today's video. I will give you guys an up-close look, give you guys an on-foot look, and then we'll be on our way. All right, y'all, let's give you guys this up-close look at the Kobe 6 Protro in the Grinch colorway. As you guys can see, we have a very plain and simple black box. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary. In my honest opinion, I feel like Nike should switch it up and kind of customize this special box in a way that makes it personal to the Kobe 6s. As you guys can see, I have some other Kobe's right here. This is the undefeated pack, which I happen to hit through the undefeated raffles. I got very lucky with these. With that box, it's very special, very nice. Right here, we have a Kobe 9 box, and I feel like this is one of the better boxes within the Kobe signature line. They're very cool and very clean. You got the Kobe logo right here, and then, you know, it's got a bunch of different Kobe logos and like patterns. In my opinion, they're very creative when it comes to the boxes, so I feel like they should switch it up for each shoe and do the same. But you got a Kobe sheath right here, Kobe signature, and then right here, got a check, and then you got Kobe 6 Protro right there, and then you got the QR code to scan you and take you to the Nike website, and then an MSRP of $180. A little bit pricey compared to what the prices we were used to back then for Kobe 6s, which is $125, $130 range. But this is back then. Of course, we got inflation and all that. Again, the box is very plain. Excuse the fingerprints. Damn, I got greasy ass fingers. I be beating my meat too much, but that's another story for another day. And then you got Nike logos and descriptions all around the bottom of the box. Plain black box, nothing crazy. Not impressed with the box, not gonna lie. I'd rather have the Kobe 9 box right here, but whatever. You've got plain white tissue to cover up the shoes, but then obviously you got the beautiful Grinches in hand right there. Let me bring out the other shoe. I happened to cop these through an in-store raffle at Millennium Sneakers over in Inglewood. So Millennium Shoes right there. Total $197, pretty penny, but if you guys are familiar with the resale, it goes crazy. Me personally, I don't feel right reselling Kobe's because he is my childhood idol. Though I am open to trading shoes to kind of get other shoes I like more, but these probably one of the greatest colors of a Kobe sneaker of all time, so I don't plan on getting rid of these. But yeah, shout out to Millennium Sneakers, in-store raffle going down. Very blessed to hit on that. I personally struck out on the sneakers app. I haven't had much luck lately, but it is what it is. So right here, we got the right shoe, and then it comes with an additional crimson lace to kind of match the sheath right there. And if you guys saw the Christmas game 10 years ago, Kobe happened to wear this exact shoe, but using the crimson laces on both shoes, playing against LeBron and the Miami Heat. So very iconic shoe. We've seen PJ Tucker rock these. We've seen Doncic. We've seen Jordan Clarkson. I'm pretty sure Tucker was rocking the OGs, but I feel like Clarkson and Doncic were rocking the Protros because they have access to a whole bunch of Kobe's. But very clean shoe. My goodness. I personally had the Carpe Diem colorway as a kid. From what I remember, these were one of my favorite shoes to ball in because of the traction, the court feel, and it was really snug to your feet, and I like that feeling. I also had the Kobe 5s. These had more of a loose feel to them, and I didn't really like them as much. I felt like if I wanted to feel comfortable and just chilling out during a game, shooting around, then I'd rock these. But if it was game time mode, like I had to put up numbers, attack mode, these are my go-to, and that's what I remember. As you guys can see, it kind of has like this snakeskin scaly traction pattern. Don't sleep on it, it's very dope. The traction pattern was very aggressive, and that's why these were one of my go-tos back then. Though the traction didn't last very long because, as you guys can see, the grooves aren't very thick. So I highly recommend against playing in these outdoors though. Why would you? Beautiful shoe. Not really the move. But you've got the snakeskin all around the upper of the shoe. Pretty much it's like a mesh-like material underneath the snakeskin. It's very soft. Don't get it twisted. Nike decided to add more cushioning to the Protros and improve the traction pattern by making the rubber more durable. So we'll see about that. I actually didn't hit on a size 12. I hit on a size 11.5. Size 12 is my personal size, but I tried these on, I slipped my foot in, and honestly, these will pass. With the Kobe 5 Protros, these are very, very cushioned. The Protros nowadays have way more cushioning, but with the Kobe 5 Protros, I definitely wouldn't be able to fit in an 11.5, which is half a size down. But surprisingly with these, I'll be able to fit. Prefer a 12, but going half a size down, you'll be fine. If you're wide-footed, definitely go true to size. But if you have skinny feet like I do, then you'll be able to pass with going half a size down. Though, I do recommend going true to size. So you've got a crimson sheath right there, kind of similar to the one you see on the tongue. Bright crimson laces, snakeskin all around the upper of the shoe. You've got a very shiny heel counter right there, and then you got plastic on the back of the heel with a crimson Kobe signature. And then you've got carbon fiber on the bottom of the forefoot. And then supposedly they added more zoom. So it's supposed to be more cushiony and springy. Looking forward to that when I wear them. Not gonna play in them because these are such a special shoe, but nevertheless, looking forward to rocking them. Oh, and real quick, ironically, they're kind of building all their Protros like a sock. So for example, if you look in here, it's all one piece. So you can kind of see the tongue doesn't separate from the shoe on the 5s, right? It's kind of like a one-piece sock-like shoe. And that's why I was kind of wondering, damn, why is this so snug? But now it makes a lot of sense because they made it a one-piece shoe. Whereas if you look at the 6s as well, they took the same approach. So I'm not sure if they're gonna do the same thing with all Protros, but keep that in mind. These are gonna fit a little bit more snug than your usual Kobe's, like the OGs. That's something I didn't really remember, but yeah, this is something I noticed. So as you guys can see, there's that netting to make it a sock-like fit. On the inside of the insole, I want a shoe right there. That. And now on the other one it says molds to my foot. Very clean, 24 right there. And then a KB on the left shoe. So pretty much all the materials that we have on the Kobe 6 Protro are mesh, synthetic leather, or kind of like this smooth like material on the back, plastic, rubber, foam. I don't even know what kind of foam this is that they use, but it's very cushiony. And yeah, that's pretty much all the materials that you need to know. Nothing crazy, but again, very well put together shoe. With that being said, let's give you guys this on foot look and then we'll wrap up the video. Let's get it. Alright YouTube, as far as the unboxing and on-foot look goes at the Nike Kobe 6 Protro in the Grinch colorway goes, that is pretty much all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys found it helpful. And if you did, if you guys are new to the channel, again, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. I'd greatly appreciate that. Social media in the description down below. I will be bringing you guys more content in the near future, more on-foot looks, outfit ideas, whatnot, you name it. I will bring it to you guys ASAP. Keep you guys updated on whatever I secure or cop. But with that being said, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. It's your boy Be So Fitted signing off. Only way is up. Stay fitted for me. We out, baby. Let's get it.